Best mix sets comparison. Mechanic tool sets are essential for automotive repair, DIY projects, and professional maintenance tasks. With a wide range of options available, selecting the right set can be daunting, especially when considering factors such as durability, versatility, and cost-effectiveness. This review compares 5 popular mechanic tool sets from list number. The Amazon Basics 201-piece mechanic tool set is an affordable option designed for light to moderate use. It includes a variety of sockets, hex keys, and screwdriver bits in both SAE and metric sizes, making it versatile for basic automotive and home repair tasks. Constructed from chrome vanadium steel, the tools are durable and resistant to corrosion. The included carrying case is compact and easy to transport, making it ideal for casual users who need portability. However, it lacks some advanced features found in premium sets. Performance-wise, this set is best suited for occasional use rather than heavy-duty applications. While the chrome vanadium steel ensures decent durability, the tools may not withstand prolonged or high-torque usage. The socket fit is reliable, but the lack of advanced ratchet mechanisms or specialty tools limits its appeal for professional mechanics. Overall, this set is a great budget-friendly choice for beginners or DIYers. List 2. The Craftsman 262-piece mechanic tool set is a mid-range option that balances affordability and functionality. It includes a comprehensive assortment of sockets, ratchets, wrenches, and specialty bits, making it suitable for automotive enthusiasts and professionals alike. The 72-tooth ratchets provide a smooth 5-degree arc swing for precision in tight spaces, while the VersaStack toolbox offers organized storage with one-handed locking drawers. The durable alloy steel construction ensures long-term reliability. In terms of performance, the Craftsman set shines in versatility and ease of use. The low-profile ratchets allow for efficient work in confined areas, and the inclusion of specialty bits broadens its application. While it is heavier than some alternatives, the robust toolbox compensates by providing excellent organization and portability. This set is perfect for intermediate users or professionals seeking a reliable yet affordable option. List number. The DeWalt 192-piece mechanics tool set is a premium offering that combines advanced features with exceptional build quality. It includes a wide range of sockets, accessories, and hex keys, all crafted from polished chrome vanadium steel for superior durability. The direct torque technology ensures a secure grip and reduces rounding of fasteners, while the knurled control ring enhances usability. The set comes with 3 72-tooth quick-release ratchets for high precision and efficiency. Designed for professionals, the DeWalt set excels in durability and performance. The direct torque technology makes it ideal for high-torque applications, while the hand-stamped markings ensure easy identification during use. Although it is the heaviest and most expensive option on this list, its advanced features and reliability justify the investment. This set is best suited for mechanics who need a robust and versatile toolkit for demanding tasks. List 4. The Vevor 450-piece tool set is a versatile and affordable option for users seeking a large assortment of tools. Made from CRV chrome plating, the tools are resistant to rust and wear, ensuring durability for extended use. The set includes deep and standard sockets, combination wrenches, hex keys, and accessories, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. The PEHD storage case provides portability and organization, although its design is bulkier than other options. While the Vevor set offers excellent value for its price, the sheer number of pieces can be overwhelming for casual users. Its torque delivery design ensures reliability for moderate to heavy-duty applications, but the lack of advanced ratchet mechanisms may be a drawback for professionals. Overall, this set is ideal for DIY enthusiasts and intermediate users who need an extensive tool collection at a reasonable cost. List 5. The ABN 450-piece mechanics tool set is designed for comprehensive automotive and mechanical needs. Featuring SAE and metric sockets, ratchets, hex keys, and screwdriver bits, this set offers universal compatibility for a variety of tasks. The tools are made from high-grade steel with a chrome finish for durability and corrosion resistance. The blow-molded carrying case ensures secure storage and portability. Although its design could be improved for easier access, the ABN set is versatile and suitable for both professionals and DIYers. Its high-grade steel construction ensures longevity, but the lack of advanced torque technology or precision ratchets limits its appeal for demanding tasks. Additionally, the organization of tools in the storage case may require frequent rearrangement. This set is a solid choice for users seeking a comprehensive toolkit without breaking the bank.